Hey everyone, Doug DeMuro here. Today we're diving into the world of hidden car features. Those ingenious little tricks and functionalities that most people don't even realize their cars have. We're talking about secret compartments, high-tech safety features, and even some luxurious touches that'll make you feel like you're riding in style. Get ready to be amazed because some of these features are so cool, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about hidden storage compartments. Now, we all know about the glove box and the center console, but some cars take storage to a whole new level. I'm talking about secret compartments tucked away under the floor mats, hidden panels in the cargo area, or even compartments disguised as air vents. These are perfect for stashing valuables, keeping important documents out of sight, or just maximizing the storage space in your car. You'd be surprised how many cars have these hidden gems, so it's definitely worth checking your owner's manual to see if your car has any secret storage spots. Next up, we have a feature that's both incredibly useful and surprisingly common, the auto-dimming rearview mirror. We've all been there driving at night when suddenly, bam, the headlights of the car behind you turn your rearview mirror into a blinding beacon of light. Well, the auto-dimming mirror solves that problem by automatically darkening when it detects glare from headlights behind you. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference in terms of safety and comfort, especially on those long night drives. Ever wish you could roll down your car windows from a distance? Well, with key fob window control you can do just that. This handy feature allows you to open or close your car windows remotely using your key fob. It's perfect for venting hot air on a scorching day before you even get in the car, or for closing all the windows quickly if you forgot, and a sudden downpour starts. Not all cars have this feature, but it's becoming increasingly common, especially on higher-end models. Chapter 4. Adaptive Brilliance. Adaptive Headlights. Now let's talk about a safety feature that's becoming increasingly popular: adaptive headlights. Unlike traditional headlights that point straight ahead, adaptive headlights actually swivel and adjust their beam pattern based on the car's steering angle and speed. This means you get better visibility around corners and on winding roads, making night driving safer and less stressful. Adaptive headlights are a relatively new technology, but they're quickly becoming a must-have safety feature on many new cars. Chapter 5. Prepared for anything, hidden umbrella holders. Okay, this next one is for those who appreciate the finer things in life, hidden umbrella holders. That's right, some cars, particularly luxury models like certain Rolls-Royces, come equipped with built-in umbrella holders. These are usually discreetly integrated into the door panels or center console, and they often even have a drying function to prevent your umbrella from dripping all over the car. It's a small touch, but it's those little details that really elevate the driving experience. Chapter 6. The Chiller Zone Cooled Glove Box. Next up, we have a feature that's perfect for those hot summer days, the cooled glove box. This nifty little feature uses the car's air conditioning system to keep the glove compartment cool, making it the perfect place to store drinks, snacks, or anything else you want to keep chilled. It's especially useful on long road trips, ensuring that your refreshments stay refreshingly cold. Now let's talk about a safety feature that's becoming increasingly important: the rear seat reminder. This system is designed to prevent children and pets from being accidentally left in hot cars. It works by monitoring the rear doors and sounding an alarm if they're opened and closed before the driver's door is opened again. It's a simple but potentially life-saving feature that's becoming increasingly common on new cars. Next. In today's tech-savvy world, USB ports are a must-have in any car, but some cars go above and beyond with hidden USB ports. These can be tucked away in the center console, under the dashboard, or even in the rear passenger area. They're perfect for keeping your devices charged without having wires dangling everywhere, and they can also be used to connect to the car's infotainment system. Chapter 10. Sound Control, Speed-Sensitive Volume Control. Next up, we have a feature that's both convenient and considerate: speed-sensitive volume control. This system automatically adjusts the volume of the audio system based on the car's speed. As you accelerate, the volume gradually increases to compensate for road noise, and as you slow down, the volume decreases. It's a subtle but effective way to ensure that you can always hear your music or podcasts clearly without having to constantly adjust the volume yourself. Chapter 11. Automatic Elegance, Auto-Folding Mirrors. Now let's talk about a feature that's both stylish and practical: auto-folding mirrors. With this feature, the side mirrors automatically fold when you unlock it. This is not only convenient, but it also helps to protect your mirrors from damage in tight parking spaces or when driving through narrow streets. Chapter 12. Staying in line lane keeping assist. Next up, we have a safety feature that's becoming increasingly common: lane keeping assist. This system uses cameras to monitor the car's position relative to the lane markings on the road. If the car starts to drift out of its lane without the turn signal being activated, the system will gently steer the car back into the lane. It's a great feature for long drives and improves safety. Now let's talk about a feature that's straight out of a science fiction movie: gesture control. Some luxury cars now offer gesture control for certain functions, such as adjusting the audio volume, answering phone calls, or even opening the sunroof. It's a cool and futuristic feature that can make you feel like you're living in the future. Okay, this next one is for all the coffee and soda lovers out there: hidden cup holders. Some cars have cleverly designed cup holders that are hidden away when not in use, maximizing space and maintaining a clean aesthetic. These can be pop-out cup holders, sliding cup holders, or even cup holders that are integrated into the armrest. In today's world, our smartphones are practically extensions of ourselves, so it's no surprise that wireless phone charging is becoming an increasingly popular car feature. With wireless charging, you can simply place your compatible smartphone on the charging pad and it will charge wirelessly. No more fumbling with cords or adapters. Next up, we have a feature that's both cool and practical: the heads-up display, or HUD for short. This system projects important information, such as speed, navigation instructions, and warning messages, onto the windshield in the driver's line of sight. This allows you to keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel, reducing distractions and improving safety. Now let's talk about a safety feature that can be a lifesaver in crowded parking lots: rear cross-traffic alert. This system uses radar sensors to detect vehicles approaching from the sides when you're backing up. If a vehicle is detected, the system will alert you with audible and visual warnings, giving you time to stop and avoid a potential collision. Next up, we have a feature that's pure luxury, especially during those cold winter months: the heated steering wheel. This feature does exactly what its name suggests. It heats up the steering wheel, providing warmth and comfort to your hands on chilly days. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in terms of comfort, especially if you live in a cold climate. Now let's talk about a feature that takes the guesswork out of driving in the rain sensing wipers. This system uses sensors to detect the amount of rain falling on the windshield and automatically adjusts the wiper speed accordingly. No more fiddling with the wiper controls. Next up, we have a feature that's straight out of a spy movie: night vision assist. This system uses infrared cameras to detect heat sources such as pedestrians, animals, and other vehicles in low-light conditions. The images are then displayed on a screen in the dashboard, giving you a clearer view of the road ahead at night. Effortless access power tailgate. Now let's talk about a feature that's incredibly convenient, especially if you frequently haul cargo: the power tailgate. With this feature, you can open and close the tailgate with the push of a button, either on the key fob, the dashboard, or on the tailgate itself. No more struggling with a heavy tailgate. Eliminating blind spots, blind spot monitoring. Next up, we have a safety feature that's becoming increasingly essential: blind spot monitoring. This system uses radar sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spots, and it alerts you with visual warnings in the side mirrors or on a display in the dashboard. This helps to prevent lane-changing accidents and improve overall safety. Climate control, remote start. Finally, let's talk about a feature that's both convenient and comfortable: remote start. With this feature, you can start your car remotely using your key fob, allowing you to warm up the car in the winter or cool it down in the summer before you even get in. It's a great way to ensure that you're always comfortable, no matter the weather. Hidden gems revealed, so there you have it. 23 car features you probably didn't know you needed. From secret storage compartments to high-tech safety features, these hidden gems can make your driving experience safer, more convenient, and even more enjoyable. Be sure to check your owner's manual to see which of these features your car has and start taking advantage of all the cool things your car can do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome car content. See you next time.